Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare the different options of hand sanitizer that are there in the market. COVID era has seen a surge of them. I have a limited ones that I have bought or I have been gifted. So I will compare around 8 or 10 sanitizer that I think are of good quality and sufficiently effective also. So this is the first one. This is Bactora Blue. Bactora Blue is manufactured by Raman and Vale Private Limited, which have a tie-up with German board company. And these brands has many other composition also. So this is an alcohol rub with 30% water and 70% of alcohol. They also same Raman and Vale company manufactures Sterilium. Sterilium and Bactrub have more or less similar composition, but Sterilium was earlier imported from Germany. Now after COVID it has been started manufacturing here only. Bactrub Blue and Sterilium both have 75 gram per 100 gram of alcohol, which is more than recommended for COVID infection. The sterilium composition was same earlier also, and they both have been tested and effective against COVID, and they both are time tested solution, but sterilium is the old one and I think most ancient that we have been using. There is Kite Medical also, which has come up with a wide variety of sterilization products in addition to sterilium. Also, this is one of their Sterikite product. It also has 70% alcohol. It is also very good. There is another chlorhexidine based composition also. This is Cipla antiseptic hand sanitizer. This one has 70% alcohol, but it is volume by volume, not weight by weight. The 70% recommendation is by weight. So volume by volume composition is not so valid. However, microbiologists will be better to judge it. So also it is a bit sticky, and after using for some days I realized that the skin was peeling off, so I have stopped using it. So it is not in my group, even though the company is good, but I don't use it any longer. If you look closely, sterilium has a composition of weight by weight 75%. So the composition should be checked. Similarly, other small companies have bought Viz and other companies have bought their sterilium, which is granular or gel type. So I don't like the gel stuff, but you can try. So this is the one which Cadila has bought. It is Santiza. It is chlorhexidine based solution, and it has chlorhexidine alcohol also. So the alcohol percent will not be 70%, but it is equally efficacious when combined with chlorhexidine. It is also a proven formula. I liked it also. It is a bit watery, so it dries up quite quickly. This is a Sanit AG kind. Many companies have come up with this formula which has a silver based solution. It is for those who have allergy to alcohol or those who do not like alcohol based solution. It is silver based solution. Uh, it claims to be protective against 99.9% of germs including COVID. However, no substantial written evidence is there, but still I think it is reliable as big companies are claiming. This is Areas by Lara Datta. It is the only commercially available retail market product that I like, which is non-medical. It has 95% volume by volume and 70% weight by weight composition, and I liked it very much. If you are not into medical field, or if you just came from market and you just have to sanitize because you touched a few things, you don't need a stronger antiseptic. I love it because it is very soft on skin. It has moisturizing effect also. So it is my go-to choice at home or at places where just I have touched a few things that I need to clean my hand. So it is very soft on hand. Also, it is in spray form. The spray form makes sure that it doesn't spill away much quantity. uh, Sterilium has a uh, system that determines that if you keep 2 puffs of the solution, it will give 3 ml, which is sufficient to sterilize your hands. However, in this spray form, you can never be sure of the quantity that you sprayed on the hand. The other two are similar to Raman and Vale products. These are by 3M. One is alcohol based. The composition is same as Sterilium. It is Avagard blue one, and the other one is from chlorhexidine. So this is the chlorhexidine based solution. Both are equally effective in OT. Also, chlorhexidine is claimed to have a better life. So once you clean hands with chlorhexidine, it lasts longer, while the alcohol one lasts for a shorter duration. Mm, However, blue one is more popular because it has alcohol weight of more than 70%. Stay safe.